Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the artery and vein underneath the microscope. We're going to learn how to tell the differences between the two underneath the microscope and talk about how and why artery structure is different from the structure of our veins. We can see here this vessel, and I'm going to outline it here for us. So we have one vessel here, and then we have this other vessel over here. Now we can notice that the first vessel I circled is much rounder, it's much thicker, and the second vessel I circled is thinner, it's a little more flattened, and again, the wall is thinner here. What we have then is we have an artery, and then over here, we have the vein. Arteries are going to carry blood under a higher pressure than the veins. That's why they are rounder, and they have a thicker, smooth muscle layer, and that's known as the tunica media. That's what we're seeing there, is we're seeing that thicker tunica media, and that is going to be made of smooth muscle, and then our vein over here is going to have a thinner tunica media. So our artery is going to then be rounder, and then that means our vein is going to be thinner and have a more flattened appearance. We can also see this space in the middle of each of the vessels, and that space is known as the lumen.